In this video, I'm going to show you how you can split your terminal in VS Code. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, VS Code allows an option to split your terminal into 2, 3, or more. To do this, once you have opened your terminal, as you can see, mine is here. Or if you want to open the terminal, you can just click on terminal here and then new terminal. As you can see, I only have one full terminal and I wish to split it. To split it, head over to terminal and then click on split terminal. By clicking on this, now we have two terminals split. To split these again, you can click again on terminal and then click on split terminal. Alternatively, you can use a combination of Control plus Shift plus 5 to add another terminal, and as you can see, we have added more here. To clear it, just click on plus here and it will clear the split terminal. So that's how you can split your terminal in VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.